All right, we have an F8 E4 Air on our Whirlpool dishwasher. And water is coming out of this black tube right here. And it looks like there is, and where that black tube comes from, is there's a little drip tray right underneath here. It looks like it captures water that leaks out of the door, and it runs right to that black tube. So, I'm gonna try, I cleaned a bunch of other stuff, but I'm gonna try cleaning out I've cleaned the sill of the door, the bottom of the door and the sides, and we'll see if it fixes it. I'm using a Torx 10 bit to remove this sill here on the bottom, and we'll clean it all out. That's gonna need to be cleaned. So when it's all cleaned up, at least this is what my model looks like. This is the sill. The only way I know how to do it is to use the T10, remove the T10 Torx screws. We're using the T10 bit, and get it all cleaned up. So hopefully this will, and also clean up the door side. Hopefully this will help.